A flash flood watch is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 71 degrees with a thunderstorm. Here's our local Doppler radar. Today, thunderstorms. Some may contain heavy rain. High 76. Winds southwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. For tonight, mainly cloudy. Low 60. Winds light and variable. On Tuesday, sun and a few passing clouds. Warm. High 86. Winds north at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And Tuesday night, a mostly clear sky. Low 57. Winds light and variable. Here's our 7-day outlook.